Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. Now, in the last class, we talked about average speed, and in this class, we're going to discuss about velocity. Let's see here. Velocity. It is represented with V bar, and we know bold letter and bar on its top. It is a convention given for vectors. Now, how do you define velocity? It is given as displacement upon time during which this displacement occurs. Now, what is the unit? Unit of this velocity is nothing but meter per second. And what about the dimension? Dimension of velocity L by t, and it is given as LT power minus 1. And I told you already, it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Fine. So while dealing with the velocity, how do you take? We are going to take a velocity in two cases. What is the first one? It's we call it as average velocity, and the second case we're going to talk about instantaneous velocity. It is a instantaneous velocity. So average velocity, what is the definition it is given as? Average velocity definition is given as total displacement upon total time. And this average velocity we're going to deal in subcases. What are those subcases? If position as a function of time, how do you calculate average velocity? And please remember, this is a position. Okay, I'm talking about position as a function of time. Now coming back to, if velocity is a function of time, how do you calculate average velocity? And the third one, if velocity as a function of position, then how do you calculate average velocity? Yeah. And coming back to this instantaneous velocity. So instantaneous velocity is given as velocity at a particular instant of time. And this we can calculate if position is a function of time, that we can calculate velocity as a function, at an instant. Or if velocity as a function of time also, we can calculate the instantaneous velocity at a particular time. So these are the cases we are going to discuss regarding the velocity. Okay, let us see one by one. Average velocity calculation in these three cases and instantaneous velocity calculation in those two cases. Okay, thank you.